This is the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Tuesday, September 27th. I'm Michael Groff. Some blowing dust and light rain hit portions of the East Valley yesterday. Some areas actually saw some measurable precipitation, but Sky Harbor was not one of them, just a trace officially. Another unsettled day ahead for us today, and as we look outside right now, we start out much like we did yesterday, partly cloudy skies. I think we see a lot more sun today, though. 73 degrees right now, pretty good start. 48 on the dew point, relative humidity 41%. The winds are light and the barometer is rising. Around the metro area this morning, we're mainly in the mid-60s to mid-70s. Clouds streaming in around an upper low across northwest Mexico. And we do have showers and thunderstorms to talk about across portions of southern Arizona, mainly in Pima and Santa Cruz counties this morning. Tucson area has had about 1/10 of an inch so far. Few showers and storms also in northern Arizona. We're in the clear at the moment. The watch warning map is pretty clear as well. Just some frost advisories for portions of North Dakota and a heat advisory for the San Diego area today. They're starting out the day in the upper 70s to low 80s out there already. Could get up to around 100 or so by this afternoon. On the convective outlook, no organized areas of severe weather today. Could we see a severe storm here in Arizona today? Yeah, I guess, but no organized areas. And then tomorrow, just a marginal risk of severe weather in the Carolinas toward Virginia. Tropics in the East Pacific, that is Rosalind, a minimal tropical storm. It will not be too much of a player in our weather as we go through the week. Yes, there could be some of its moisture that gets streamed to the north, but really that system is expected to die out in the next 48 hours. Not going to be a major player in our weather. But certainly we'll talk about that and everything else as we get into the models right now. The 06C GFS, valid at 5 p.m. Mountain Standard Time today. There's that old upper low across northwest Mexico. And we have high pressure over the western states, so broad southeasterly flow across Arizona today. Widely scattered showers and thunderstorms across the rim and southeast Arizona once again. For us, yeah, there could be some storms around here. We certainly have some factors that work in our favor. Instability as that upper low starts to lift north across the area. And we have some cool air aloft, 500 millibar temperatures around -13, -14 C or so. But the moisture profile just not looking that impressive. Despite the fact that we have good southeasterly winds, normally that would give us a lot of moisture. Unfortunately, PWatt value is only about 1 to 1.2 inches. That's too bad. We could really use the rain, but the high-res NAM not looking all that bullish on precipitation this afternoon, to say the least. An isolated storm or two in portions of Pinal and Maricopa County, but just nothing of consequence. On the other hand, the high-res HER at 5 p.m. does show scattered showers and thunderstorms in southern Maricopa and Pima, Pinal counties. Now, understand the radar won't look exactly like this, but you get the idea, and I think the HER is probably a bit more representative of what we'll see. It'll be very similar to yesterday. Blowing dust possible in the deserts. Some areas will see showers and thunderstorms. Some will not. We'll call it a 20% chance. Definitely more sunshine today, and that should help to destabilize the atmosphere a bit. So we'll keep an eye out. High temperatures, upper 80s to low 90s once again today. Tomorrow, well, not looking all that favorable for any storms around here. Southerly flow, we'll still have moisture around. Maybe a heat of the day shower or storm. The better chances will be over northern and eastern Arizona. That upper low will be lifting off to the north across southern Nevada. It will start to weaken and shear out ultimately. So we'll call it a 10% chance of storms, partly sunny skies, upper 80s to low 90s. Thursday could get kind of interesting. We've got that short wave moving on through here, and we'll still have moisture around. Precipitable water values will be higher. Unfortunately, the best energy, the Cape, will be over eastern Arizona. So just going to go pretty conservative on the forecast right now. 20% chances of showers and storms. Highs getting up into the low to mid-90s on Thursday. And the better chances for rain again, eastern Arizona. Friday, we start to dry it on out. Southwesterly flow aloft should push that moisture away. And better chances of storms will still be found across portions of eastern Arizona, but around here it should be dry and will be in the low to mid-90s. So the QPF for the entire week doesn't look that great. 1/10, maybe 2/10 of an inch. Couple spots might get more. Some of us won't get anything at all. And best chances and QPF amounts will be found across northern and eastern Arizona and up into Utah and Colorado. All right, the weekend looks really good, though. We're looking at westerly flow, mostly sunny skies each day. Highs Saturday, Sunday, low to mid-90s. That's about normal for this time of year. On Monday, we've got a trough of low pressure digging into the Pacific Northwest once again, and temperatures are going to start to retreat back into the upper 80s to low 90s. We'll still be mostly sunny. Any rain chances will be well to the north of Arizona at this point. And here's a week from today. This is Tuesday, October the 4th. We'll be dry as this trough moves through the Intermountain West. Temperatures will retreat back into the mid-80s. That'll feel pretty good. Obviously, all eyes will be focused on the East Coast as the GFS continues to call for the tropical system that has not even developed yet. I want to emphasize that point. If it does, it will get the name Matthew. And the latest GFS does show this system moving up toward the northeast United States through the middle and latter portions of next week. Again, we're talking 7, 8, 9, 10 days out, so nothing to get too excited about right now, but keep that in mind. Here's Wednesday. This is October the 5th. We'll still be dry. The GFS is printing a high of just 83 for us, and that'll sound great if that verifies. And this is the end of the forecast period, Thursday, October 6th. And again, we'll watch the tropics, see how it goes for the East Coast, but not really going to worry about that right now. We'll have great weather around here, sunny skies, west to northwesterly flow, highs low to mid-80s, lows mid-50s to lower 60s. Perfect weather. How about those temperatures? Let's look at them here. A little bit warmer by this weekend, and then yes, that trough comes through 83 next Wednesday. Lows 60s, and many of us will be down in the 50s. That's autumn in Arizona. You can't beat it. That's a look at the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. Our next video posted tomorrow morning. We'll see you then. Have a great Tuesday.